Example 3. We're going to graph the inequality of y greater than negative 5x. The given inequality is in the slope-intercept format. So that's a traditional format for graphing that we like to work with. However, we see quickly that I don't have a b. And I'm hoping that you remember that whenever we don't have a y-intercept showing in a given equation or inequality, that means that your y-intercept is going to be 0. And our slope, well, that is showing. Our slope happens to be that of negative 5. But I'm also hoping that you remember that slopes need to be a fraction, and if you don't have a fraction, then you can just place a 1 underneath of it. Due to this being a negative slope, we are going to travel down and to the right. Let's look at our inequality symbol. We have a greater than. Since this is strictly a greater than, then we know this will be a dotted line. And because it is greater than, we are going to shade above. Let's go graph. Our y-intercept is 0. So here it is, right there at the origin. And our slope is negative 5. So we're going to travel down 5 units and to the right 1 unit. And we can do this again until we run out of graph, down 5 to the right 1. Now that we've got 3 points, that makes it really nice and easy to go ahead and bring out our straight edge to connect our points, being mindful that this is going to be a dotted line. So don't just run a straight line through it on autopilot, so to speak. So here's my dotted line, and now I just need to shade. So some people find this a little bit peculiar to think about, so this is my helpful thought. If I place my marker on the dotted line, then I would say, hey, so where is the region of the graph that is above my marker? And I'm hoping you can see that here on the right side is above my marker. You could say drawing arrows upward, that would be above my marker. So some people are able to visually see that very nicely. Others find that very tricky to look at. So I'm hoping that's a tip that helps. And there you go.